Welcome to the An English Coffee office. Today is Monday, June 16, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. It's a busy day ahead.
I know, same here. Got a big meeting later.
Oh, meetings, always fun. Hey, did you hear about the big trade news?
No, what's that about?
I saw on CNN that the UK is trying to make a new trade deal with Canada. They're worried about US tariffs.
Oh, interesting. That could change a lot for businesses?
Yeah, for sure. If tariffs go up, my sales job gets harder.
True, it affects costs and projects too. We might need to adjust plans.
Let's hope they figure it out fast. I don't want more paperwork.
I get that. We'll see what happens.
Hey, speaking of changes, did you see the tech news this week?
No, what's new in tech?
I read on CNN about a place in Laos, a secret runway from years ago. It was used by the US a long time back.
Really? That sounds like history, not tech.
Well, yeah, but now they're showing it online. Tech helps us see old stuff like that.
That's a good point. It's nice to learn history with new tools.
Yeah, I like watching those videos. Makes me forget my boring emails.
I bet. It's cool how tech connects us to the past.
Totally. Oh, and one more thing I saw about culture stuff.
What did you find?
There was news on CNN about protests in Los Angeles. People are upset about new rules from the government.
Oh, I heard a bit about that. It's about immigration, right?
Yeah, exactly. People are not happy and it's a big mess.
I see. It's sad when rules make life hard for so many.
For sure. I just hope it doesn't affect our clients out there.
Yeah, we need to keep an eye on it. It could impact projects too.
Man, the world is always changing. Makes my coffee break more exciting.
True. News gives us a lot to talk about.
Hey, how's your project going? You look busy.
It's going okay, just a lot of details. How's sales for you?
Oh, same old chasing numbers. Gotta hit that target.
You'll get there, I'm sure. Keep pushing.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, got any plans after work?
Not really, just relaxing at home. You?
Same, maybe watch some TV. Need to rest before tomorrow?
Sounds good. Rest is important.
Yeah, can't be tired for more meetings. Well, I better get back to my desk.
Me too. See you later, David?
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too. Have a great one.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.